Here we go now. We are to the point we got the ignition all put on. Time to put on our governor plate. So I looked in my box. I should still have the valve cover head bolt. I should still have the spark plug, but right here there was these two small flange bolts, and they're self-tapping. So you can see that little thread that's cut on it. That means it's a self-tapping bolt. And these are to hold on the governor plate. The governor plate has a bolt hole right here that gets held on with the cover. The lever should be facing the fan. There's a bolt on the governor plate right here that we have to put in right now. So it's this hole right here in the upper right-hand side of the valves. We're going to put that in by hand. With that self-tapping screw. And again, I want to get that in just started by hand. I don't need to use a wrench on that right away. These are super easy to strip out. And then on the back side, over by the exhaust, there's one more that we have to put in. Again by hand. And these are 6mm self-tapping. So we're going to have to look at that, look that up. Cutting thread, 6mm, they're going to 9, so we're running that at the same that we were running before. So 10 times 12 is 120 minus 12, because that would be 9 times 12, is 108. So we're going 98. 98 for those. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Always putting pressure down. Boom. That's it. Should be super light. Notice I'm doing it just with my thumb. I'm not even putting a ton of pressure on there. 98 pounds is not a ton. If you feel like you're putting a lot of pressure on there, you probably are doing it incorrect. And this is that last one that we don't put in yet. And that is governor plate. Super simple, super quick one.